Over the last few days, we have posted an interesting chart pattern. Let me put it this way: an interesting chart pattern. We do not ourselves trade chart patterns in and of themselves day in and day out, and we certainly don't trade Elliott waves. We know many people do. Our thoughts are that Elliott waves is really just a waste of time. But the pattern that we have posted is a bearish Gartley pattern that is virtually perfect, with Fibonacci's included, on the SPY and the NASDAQ. We've posted it. It's interesting to look at. Not making a recommendation for anyone to buy or sell anything. In fact, what we would say is if you do enter a trade long or short in this market, it would be wise to use options to define your risk, because there is risk in this market, always is, but particularly where we are right now. And for the record, although we see the potential for a dramatic drop should this Gartley pattern play out, and it may not, but if it does, it would call for a dramatic drop. We're not too worried about it because our algos, what we trade day in and day out, will pick it up and pick up the timing. For that matter, what you're looking at is the ES, the Russell, the YM, and the NQ. Our algorithm has been short the VIX since May 8th. It has been long, this is on an hourly basis, has been long the ES since May 8th. It has been long the Russell since May 4th. It has been long the Dow since May 8th. It has been long the NQ since May 4th. The trends are strong. The near-term trend is trending up. The distant trend is trending up. And the altimeter is all up at this very moment. And the VIX is also trending down, confirming this move. One contract in each of these markets, you would be up real time, 2,340 in the VIX, 3,500 in the ES, 2,755 in the Russell, 3,220, and that's in the Dow, and close to $7,000, one contract in the NQ. Now we monitor the tick data to get underneath or inside this particular trade. We monitor for our monthly members the daily, weekly, and monthly in a video capture each and every night. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We are a systematic, proprietary, algorithmic trader. We do not jump from chart to chart to chart. We are not pattern traders. It's not what we do. But we are schooled in Elliott Wave. We are schooled in point and figure. We are schooled in the Gartleys. And when we see something that is of interest to that particular school, we'll mention it. The shame about Elliott Waves is that you could put 600 people into one room, teach them everything they need to know on Elliott Waves for 3 days, have them look at a chart, and you'll probably get 800 different opinions. Point and figure. Put 600 people in a room, teach them what they need to know in about an hour, show them a chart, and every single person will agree where to enter and where to exit. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. Feel free to follow, feel free to join. Our membership is month to month, no long-term commitments. We're not a broker, we're not a broker. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We are a mentoring site, and that's all. Best of luck.